Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and today I am flying something brand new. I just finished the build for last night. I'm going to be flying for the very first time today my Cinewhoop, or the Shendrones Squirt V2. So I just finished printing the ducks last night, everything like that. I have a smaller battery on there, so I know I'm not going to get very much flight time, but I've got the GoPro on there and everything, so wish me luck. This is the maiden flight. I did hover it in the basement for like 2 seconds last night just to make sure it actually like lifted up, and it did. So, but this is the first like official flight, so we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so that is the maiden flight with the Squirt V2 by Shendrones, and I am highly impressed on it. It's a little bit of wind out here, so I did get pushed around a little bit, so you might have noticed that in the video, a little bit of jello. But otherwise, it flew really nice and smooth. I do have to do some tuning on it, so I'm going to go to Paul Nurkala's blog, and I'm going to look at the different rates and stuff like that and program that in there. But other than that, it flew fantastic. So thanks guys for watching the video. Thanks for hanging out with me. And as always guys, let's keep those drones up in the air, flying high. I'll see you tomorrow.